Are you developing a Flutter app and struggling to add an ONTAP method to your containers? You're not alone. Today, we're diving into how to make your containers interactive, just like buttons. I totally get it. It can be frustrating when you want to make your app more dynamic, but you're not sure how to implement touch interactions on non-button widgets. This is a common challenge for many Flutter developers. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked, is there a way to get an ONTAP method for containers or any widget that isn't a button? If you've been wondering the same thing, stick around as we explore the solution together. So why is this an issue? In Flutter, containers and many other widgets don't have built-in touch event handlers like buttons do. But don't worry, there are ways to make them respond to taps, and I'll show you how. And make sure to stay with me until the end. I have a great tip that will help you enhance your app's user experience even further. To add an ONTAP method to a container in Flutter, the user can wrap the container with a gesture detector widget. This widget detects gestures, including taps. Next, the user should define the action that should occur when the container is tapped. This can be done inside the ONTAP method. Now, the user can integrate this gesture detector into their existing code. They should replace the placeholder comment with their desired action. Finally, the user can run their Flutter app to test the ONTAP functionality. They should see the action triggered when the container is tapped. Fun fact, did you know that the first mobile apps were just simple text-based interfaces? Look how far we've come with interactive designs. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by another user suggests using a card widget inside an inkwell. This approach allows you to achieve the ripple effect on Android while capturing tap events. Here's that tip I promised. Consider using the inkwell widget for a ripple effect when tapping. It adds a nice touch to your app's UI and enhances user interaction. And there you have it. You've learned how to make your containers interactive with the ONTAP method. Keep experimenting with Flutter, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks.